It's a good morning. Ah, amazing. Woo.
I'm starting to think of taking a video of a cow.
Yes, I'm starting to take a video of cows. It's my duty to feed them today, right? Yeah.
It's a kuganga. It's a kuganga.
Yeah. I'm coming. Okay, Tuti. What's up, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia. For those who are new here, welcome. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming to watch my videos. And on today's video, I'm in the village. It's in the morning and I decided to go around. Today it's my duty to feed the cows, and I decided why not I should show you how we do it in the village. So stay here, don't go anywhere. Twende nini yeba isi ya kwenga. So guys, don't go anywhere, stay here till the end of the video. I just want to show you something. We are going to use Napier grass. This is Napier grass, which we are going to feed the cows. This is how we do it. Carry a few. I have a kid behind me. Yeah. We have these cows around here. Ooh.
And what about that last one?
Which one?
Oh.
Yeah, so guys, I told you that I started farming at the age of 20 years. This is where we get milk from. Oh, your God. And then after that, this is where they take water from.
So fun. And that's our dog.
Yeah, it's our dog.
It's our chihuahua.
Yes, so guys, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. As I take you around, I show you everything around here. And today still I'm going to visit my farm, my farm. So yeah, it's green.
That was great.
Yeah, that's what's great. It's green here. It's called village life.
Like and subscribe.
Yes, like and subscribe.
Oh my God, you have this
Yes, so guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Claudia Works. For those who are new here, you know, I decided to show you a different content apart from the streets. I decided to come to visit my farm, and then I show you how everything is going here. So make sure if you come across this video, make sure you subscribe, you watch the video till the end, make sure you like, you share with your friends. Yeah, make sure you stay here, guys.
That was amazing. Can I try?
This is where we harvest water. So you normally use these tanks to conserve water for future use. This is our village, and we are going to use this route. This route ends to my farm. It's in the morning and the sun is too hot. Remember I showed you about this gate of mine? Yeah. It's a good morning. Amazing. Woo. Look at how they are tall, more taller than me. They are doing well, you can see. For those who have been watching my videos, you remember this dam? How we do it here in the in my farm in the village. This is how we do it. Somewhere so that you can see well. I don't know how well you can see it. Yeah, this is my beautiful dam here in the village, guys. Oh, we have some kibuyu there. Someone was fetching water and then I accidentally fall inside. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. I know I'm doing a great job somewhere outside there. If you are watching me, what am I saying? Guys, subscribe. Subscribe to this beautiful channel, guys. This is Claudia Works. This is what we normally use to fetch water, guys. Let me show you how we do it. You see? Use this. African village life. How we do it. It has some handle here. Just like this. Ooh. And then, yeah. If you want to water some plants, this is how you do it. You open here. Yes, you can see it has a tap. Oh, sorry, I don't know whether you can see me well. It has a tap. If you want to close the tap to go to another plant, to water another plant, you just close the tap and then you move to the next plant. So let me show you how we do it. go. So guys, let's say we want to water this. This is an orange tree. Let me show you how we do it. Now this is the tap. You open like this. You can see the water is coming out. Nice one, nice one. Once you are done, you go to another plant. You have another orange tree there. You water it. Hey guys, that's how we do it here in the village. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like the video, kindly consider sharing it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.